Dear students, previous class we discussed regarding the physical trends. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, that is atomic radius and ionic radius also. Now in this session we will discuss regarding the ionization enthalpy. What is the meaning of ionization enthalpy, how it is varies across the period and down the group. ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ what is that particular physical trends, maybe ionic radius, atomic radius, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity and all, and how it is varies across the period and down the group. What is the reason behind that? What is the reason behind that? Now we'll discuss for the ionization enthalpy. So X, okay, if X is an parent atom or parent element, when this will loses electron, it will produce positive charge. If it is gain electron, it will produce negative charge. Okay, whatever the process here, ionization enthalpy is nothing but loss of electron, or enthalpy means what? Energy. Okay, so here energy required to remove an electron from outermost shell from the isolated gaseous atom. For example, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, for the definition of ionization enthalpy, it's an amount of energy, minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the outermost shell in a gaseous, neutral gaseous atom. ಒಂದು neutral gaseous atom ಇದೆ X. Okay, from this X, it's a neutral gaseous atom, from neutral gaseous atom X, and it's having nucleus, electrons revolve around the nucleus. Okay, electrons revolve around the nucleus. So here these orbitals all are having the what? Electrons. ಇಲ್ಲಿ electron ಇರ್ತದೆ, here electron. So according to ionization says outermost electron ಯಾವುದು ಇದು 1 2 3. So I'll name lesson 1 2 3. So outermost electron is E1. When this electron is removed from this atom, it's a neutral atom X, there is no charge on this. Okay, when the electrons are removed from the outermost shell, that process is called as an ionization. Minimum amount of energy is known as an ionization enthalpy. That's it. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ how can we define ionization enthalpy? Ionization enthalpy is an minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from a outermost shell in a gaseous neutral atom. Usually gaseous state ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. gaseous neutral atom ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರಬೇಕು. gaseous neutral atom from outermost shell or valence shell, it's a minimum amount of energy. So ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೇನು ಎಟ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ remove their electron, that are called as an ionization enthalpy. It's a minimum amount of energy required here, energy we should supply. For example, if it is an atom, once you apply the energy, it will eject their electron or it will remove their electron. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುದು ionization enthalpy. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, and which is very important for 3 mark question, very important for 3 mark question. I hope you understood what is the role of, what is the meaning of ionization enthalpy. Now what is the SI unit of ionization enthalpy? And enthalpy is nothing but energy, and you know the energy SI unit, joule, right? Here also kilojoule per mole. 1 mole of atoms or molecules ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? that is ionization enthalpy, that are denoted by kg per mole, kilojoule per mole, that is the SI unit. Now we'll discuss the important term or in a trends in a periodic table, that is how it is varies across the period and down the group. Now first we'll move for the across the period. Again I will take a different example. Across the period, starting with the boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and you know across the period size ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? size will be reduces. So if it is having this much of size, carbon will reduces. like this. Okay, size will goes on decreases across the what period. Now size decrease agide, and one more concept, what is that? Effective nuclear charge enagta ide, it should be increases across the period. Effective nuclear charge increase agಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ size decrease ಆಗಿದ್ದು. So we will adopt that concept. What is that? Effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge increases. Once the effective nuclear charge increases, removal of outermost electron. So here outermost electron, last electron and outermost electron. So size kadime ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, this electron will influences the effective nuclear charge. ಸೆಂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗೆ ಇದರ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ is it easy to remove electron? No, because an force of attraction, because of the strong effective nuclear charge is there. Once the size decreases, effective nuclear charge increases. That means what? Supplying of energy, it is increases. Okay, supplying of energy is increase. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. We can't remove the electron. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what it says, across the period ionization enthalpy increases or decreases? That should be increases. Ionization enthalpy increases across the period. What is the reason behind that? Effective nuclear charge increases, and one more term we can easily write, the size is decreases. Size decrease ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, effective nuclear charge increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ removal of electron will takes place by the higher energy. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಬೋರಾನಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್? ದಿಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್? Ionization enthalpy across the period. It's very simple. Okay, now next we'll move for the down the group. Down the group, what happens? So down the group, you know, again I will take an example: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. Okay, so what is the size? Here center 1s orbital, lithium ಗೆ 2 orbitals, sodium there should be 3. Okay, adding of shells. So adding of shell means what? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell goes on increases. Then effective nuclear charge ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Obviously decreases. ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಗೂ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ಸಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ effective nuclear charge decreases. At the same time, removal of this electron required minimum amount of energy. That's less energy. So down the group ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ? So down the group obviously size is increases. Size increases means what? Effective nuclear charge decreases, or in another word, adding of different shells to the orbitals in a orbital wise. So effective nuclear charge decreases. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ionization enthalpy down the group decreases in the sense what? Minimum amount of energy is enough to what? Remove the electron. So reason ಏನು? What are the reason effective nuclear charge is decreases? Effective nuclear charge decreases. And one more, size is increases. Size ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, effective nuclear charge ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And one more concept in this, that is screening effect. What is the meaning of screening effect? Okay, screening effect is nothing but, just see, so in this ionization enthalpy procedure ಏನು? ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, these shells or these orbitals or these shells are act as in screening, or it act as in what? Transparent layers between the nucleus to electron. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, these electrons will experience the what? Effective nuclear charge is less. Okay, screening effect or shielding effect ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Shielding effect. Okay, shielding means what? It acts as a shield between the outermost shell and nucleus. Okay, consider this part is nucleus and this is one of the orbital, and this should be the outermost orbital. So this outermost orbital will screened by the these inner shells. Okay, for example lithium, 1s2 2s1, outermost shell ಯಾವುದು 2s1. 2s1 can 2s1 screened by the 1s orbital. So 1s orbital ಇಂದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದಟ್ and what is the definition of particular element. Okay, and here this is about regarding what ionization enthalpy. In this there are some exception cases are there. While reading the books you will observe that beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, these are different kinds of what atoms. Right here 1s2 2s2 for beryllium, boron 1s2 2s2 2p1. Here beryllium having highest ionization enthalpy than the boron. Actually, according to general rule, what is that? This is an increasing order of ionization enthalpy. Okay, this is an increasing order of ionization enthalpy, but there is a slight change due to the electron behavior in a particular atom. Just see beryllium. In a beryllium, outermost shell 2s. Here outermost shell 2s and 2p. So 2s2 andre 2s orbitals are filled like this, and next 2s with the p orbital like this. See, in this molecule these are completely filled. Is it right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 electron ಇದೆ, ಆ 2 electron fill ಆಗಿದೆ, completely filled. So removal of this electron is difficult. ಯಾಕೆ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದು ಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ in the sense what we should apply more energy. But in the case of boron, here valence shell ಯಾವುದು? That is 2p orbital. 2p ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದೆ? Only 1 electron is there. If it is loses this electron, it becomes like this. So now it is paired. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ionization enthalpy ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ionization enthalpy than the boron. Next one more example. Okay, obviously boron ಗಿಂತ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. Okay, after that instead of nitrogen we should write the oxygen than nitrogen. Why? Because okay, so write the electronic configuration of oxygen and nitrogen. So here 8 electron and here 7 electron, 7 and 8. I'll write only the valence shell 2s 2p for what's that, oxygen, then one more 2s 2p. Here filling of electron. Okay, illi 2s completely filled. For oxygen only there are 4 electrons are there that will fill like this. 4 electron fill like this, and here 2 electron, nitrogen is 7, 3 electrons are present. Okay, 1s2 2s2 2p3, 1s2 2s2 2p4 for oxygen. Here just see this 2 nitrogen having the one electron in each orbital. That means what? It's half filled. Half fills are more stable than the but just filled electrons. Okay, full filled and half fills are more stable than the just filled electrons. Just see the oxygen ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ there are 4 electrons are there. So ಇದು full fill ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಬೇಕು? 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ half fill ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ನ ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Now it becomes half filled. That indicates what? Removal of this electron is very easy compared to removal of nitrogen 1 electron. So oxygen is lesser in the ionization enthalpy than the nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen ಇಂದ oxygen ಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. In a periodic table which elements are having the highest ionization enthalpy, lowest ionization enthalpy? So leftmost elements are having the lowest ionization enthalpy because only 1 electron present in outermost shell. If that electron is losses, it becomes attain the noble gas configuration. Now I'll take an example. What is that? Na Na is an example, that is 11, atomic number 11. So here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. 3s1. So one concept you should remember, outermost orbital n2 electron is there, that atom should be more stable. So here also outermost electron yadu 3s only. Once it loses electron, it becomes Na plus. It becomes Na plus, atomic number 11. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Now which is the outermost shell now? 2s and 2p is the outermost shell. How many electrons are there? 8 electrons are there. So it is in stable condition. It's in stable condition. So removal of electron is very easy in a ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಟೈನ್ ದಿ ನೋಬೆಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್. ವಿಚ್ ನೋಬೆಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಿಯಾನ್. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. That's the stable condition. So leftmost side elements are having the lower ionization enthalpy across the period increases. There should be a changes in their slight changes ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಬೆರಿಲಿಯಂಗಿಂತ ಬೋರಾನಿಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ionization enthalpy ಸಾಕು. ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಡೌನ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ cesium having the lowest ionization enthalpy, here helium like this, or inert gases are having the highest ionization enthalpy. Okay, here also down the group decreases across the period increases. So lowest ionization enthalpy to highest ionization enthalpy, like this. One small concept remaining in this ionization enthalpy, that is what? So I'll write parent molecule or neutral atom is there. Once you remove the one electron from this, that are nothing but what? Ionization enthalpy. That are nothing but ionization enthalpy, delta I F I H, ionization enthalpy, delta I H. Okay, so here what is that? It becomes X plus. So one electron remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we can say that is an first ionization enthalpy. Okay, so outermost shell electron remove ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, that concept or that term that called as an first ionization enthalpy. And one more possibility also there. From this X plus in the, we can remove one more electron. So that is becomes X2 plus. So what it is? Delta IH. Okay, delta IH is a representation of enthalpy, change in enthalpies. Okay, so delta IH2, now it is delta IH1. So delta IH2 is nothing but second ionization enthalpy. So here just compare the first ionization enthalpy and the second ionization enthalpy, which will having more ionized, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು? ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಯೋನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ದಿ highest effective nuclear charge. So one more electron removal, it's bit difficult compared with the first one. So obviously required more energy than the first. It's in general. So first ionization delta IH1 is lesser. Delta IH1 is lesser than delta IH2. Okay, so if go for the third ionization enthalpy, delta IH3 is more. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಮೋರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಆದೆ. ಯಾವುದಲ್ಲ? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Mg2+. I will take an Mg. Okay, Mg is atomic number 12. I'll write the atomic electronic count. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Now 3s2 is a completely filled. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ delta H1, delta I H1, is it any reaction? Okay, ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಆಗ it will loses the first electron and it becomes Mg plus. Mg plus means what? One electron is less. I'll write here 2s2 2p 6 3s1 for what? Mg plus. So this is the first ionization enthalpy to remove the outermost electron. Okay, now it becomes one electron, unpaired electron, and it's also half filled. But if we loses this electron, ಈ electron ನ loss ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ electron ತೆಗೆದಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, so it will get the noble gas configuration. It will get the noble gas configuration. That's why these 3s1 is having the lesser energy. This 3s1 having the lesser energy. So 2 in the remove ಮಾಡುವುದು difficult, but one can remove. Compare the first one, delta I H1 is lesser, greater than the delta I H2. This is in general. So particular ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, delta 2 or second ionization enthalpy is lesser than the first. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸಾಕು to remove the electron. So delta I H2 and it becomes Mg2 plus. Mg2 plus is having the neon electronic configuration. That is 1s2 2s2 1s2 2s2 2p6. Okay, this is the concept in this word ionization enthalpy. Rest all we'll discuss in the next class.